Hello and welcome to another Pulse tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use the email template builder to build out email templates for a lot of the external communication aspects of our platform. So in the app launcher on the top left here, we're going to type email templates. Click on that email templates section that pops up right there. And then from here, we're going to hit new email template on the top right. So we're going to name this email template. So just for the sake of this example, I'm going to be creating a clear to close email template. So I'm just going to name that clear to close template. And then for the related entity type, this is where we're going to select the object or the file type that we're trying to pull information from in that email template when we utilize things like merge fields in the actual template. So for this, we're going to choose opportunity. Opportunity means loan. And for the folder, we're just going to make that a public email template. And then the subject here is what's going to go out in the subject line of that email. So we make it whatever we want. It'd be like, your loan is clear to close. So whatever you would want the subject line of this email for the email template that you're building is what you would put in there. And then we'll hit save. And then it'll take you to this page here. From here, you can hit edit in builder at the top right here, or if we were to go back to this tab right here and refresh it, you can also edit it from the list view that shows all of your templates here as well pretty easily. Just hit edit in builder, and they both pretty much do the same thing. But this is the page that it'll take you to after you save that initial portion of the template there. So we'll just hit edit in builder, and it's going to take us to this email template builder right here. And then there's just a couple different things you can do here. So if we wanted to add like an image to show up at the top of our email right there, that's something we could do. So we'd click into there, and then in this style section on the right side right here, we can make this smaller if we wanted to. And then from there we can go to back to the content section here and hit select from files. So this will pull up all of the files that are currently uploaded in your org right now. There should already be some logos in there for you that you can update or upload. So we can just, for the sake of this, upload this Pulse logo right here. You should see your company logos when you pull that up there. And then below that, we're going to include a rich text component directly below that. And this is where we'll type out the body of the email that we're trying to compose here. So once this pops up on the right side of your screen here, you can expand this just to make it easier to work with. Just from this portion of the screen right here. I'm going to remove this default text right there, and then just start typing out our email. So we'll say congratulations, and then this is where the merge fields come into play that I mentioned earlier. So when you want to include the borrower that you're sending this to's name as part of the email, we're going to click on that insert merge field button right here, and then go to opportunity, and then we are pulling the borrower's name from the file. So we're going to look up first name. You type first, you should get a list right there. We got borrower's first name. We can hit insert. So let's say congratulations, and then the borrower's name, whatever borrower you're sending this email out to, will auto-populate in right here. We can include our exclamation point, comma, whatever punctuation we wanted at the end there. Then we can start typing out our email. And just say your loan is clear to close, and we will keep you updated with any new information as it becomes available to us. We can say thank you at the bottom there. And just a quick call out with these merge fields, if you wanted to include any other information that you can pull from the loan file there as part of that email template, it's really easy to do so. So, any data point that you have on any given loan file, you can include in these email templates. So, feel free to scroll through this and think of what data points you might want to include in an email you're sending out to a borrower. But from there, if you wanted to do like some additional formatting or something like that, you can include one of these column layouts that you see on the left side of the screen there. So we can throw a 2-column layout in there, include another image right there if we wanted to, and then throw another rich text field right there. So it's really drag and drop builder So on this rich text field here, what you might want to do is include your email signature on the email there. So whoever sends it out, their signature will show up on the bottom of the screen there, or on the bottom of the email. So we can just look up signature, insert the email signature there, and then the sender's email signature will show up at the bottom of the screen there. And then you can upload maybe a different logo if you have that uploaded in your org or something like that. You can just hit another logo that you have in there. You might have a couple in there. If not, you can upload images pretty easily as well with this button right there. So, and then in this image right here, you can include a link to anything you'd want it to. So if they clicked on this image in the email, you could link it to your website. Same thing goes for this image at the top of the screen right there. Just include it in the link URL section right here. You should be good to go. And then once you hit save, just make sure that you see this saved with the exclamation point pop up right there, and that this button turns blue again. That's how you know that that email template's been saved. And then if we go back here, we will have our email template built out there. Just another quick call out to make while we're doing this here. You can really easily include email signatures as for each individual user in your org here. If you click on the top right and hit view profile and then settings, and then we go to this email section on the left side of the screen right here. Click my email settings. Whoever's logged in, you can include their email signature right here. Just type it out, and then that'll be included in that email signature merge field that we use in the email template. That's pretty much all there is to it. Now this template's built, and then you can reference some of our other videos to see how to include them in milestones and things of that nature. Thank you for listening, and have a great day.